Hello to everyone. In this opportunity, I want to answer some questions. So let's start. What are the best things about your job or studies? Okay, I consider that the best part of my life studies lives in all the learning that I have managed or to obtain until today. Yes. No, and also for me it's very important to able to share this knowledge with others. Yes, so uh, that is the most important thing about my studies. Yes. The second question says, do you prefer going out or staying at home? Okay. The truth is that first I prefer to stay at home. Yes. For me it's very important. For me it's important to stay with my children and my wife because we enjoy the time very much. So we like uh, to do food. My wife likes to cooking, so I prefer a lot to stay at home and not be out of my home. Yes. The third question says, what are your leisure time activities? Well, in this part, I have to say that uh, true is not much time that I have. Yes, because my work don't let me to have a leisure activity. So it's less the time that I have. But when I have this time, I like to go reading a bicycle and also doing exercise. Yes, this exercise also do it with my son. Yes, he's very a good player, so I like to play football with him and staying very exercised. Yes. The other last question says, can you tell me about your family? Okay, my family is made out of four people. My eldest son, who is 15, yes, he's in a soccer school. He's a very good player. Mm, the other is my daughter that is 12 or likes skating and dancing. The other is my youngest son who is 7 months. Yes, he's a little boy. And also my wife, she's an advisor and she loves to dance and watch movies. And now I'm going to ask the following question to the interviews. Describe, sorry, describe something you know is very important to you. I want to describe this book. Yes, this book. First, where you going from? Uh, I have this book for what we this one. My wife led me in any day, and I don't remember the day exactly, but my wife was give me. Yes. Um, how long I have had it? Okay, I have this book for 5 years, I think, ago. Yes. Mm, what do you use it for? Mm, okay. I usually use this book when I feel that something in my life is not right. Yes, when I think that is a problem in my house or something like that, I use this one. And explain what is important to you. Okay. So this book is very important to me. Very, very important. Because with this book, I open my life to a life with a God. Yes, I love it because it has made a great change in my life. I have to say that this book do something special in my life and in our life, in my family. So for this reason, this book means uh, an object that something that I have to stay in my home every day. I like so much. I like to read it when I was alone, when I am not well or have some problems. So for this reason, it's very very important to me to have this subject of this book.